Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Open your phone settings and raise the media volume to 100% using the slider. Check sound or volume settings carefully and adjust different sliders separately. Disable any volume limit or night mode that caps audio at 85% for safety bypass. Turn off Bluetooth and use the phone speaker directly for maximum power output when testing loudness. Restart the phone after changing limits to ensure the final value takes effect properly and consistently across apps. Enable the built-in equalizer and boost low and mid frequencies by 3 to 6 dB. Choose presets like bass boost or create a custom curve for clearer loudness and punch. When using wireless headphones, choose high-quality Bluetooth codecs like aptX or AAC in developer options for better dynamic range. Use trusted volume booster apps sparingly and monitor output with a meter, aiming for 70 to 85 dB to avoid hearing damage. Test with familiar tracks to confirm improvements. Clean speaker grills gently with a soft brush and compressed air to restore up to 10 dB of clarity. Remove bulky cases and position the phone face up on a hard surface to allow clearer projection and avoid muffled sound. Consider using a portable Bluetooth speaker, inline amplifier, or a wired DAC and headphones for much louder, distortion-free output. If speakers are physically damaged, visit a repair shop to replace the driver or use an external speaker as a reliable long-term solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.